A broken glass tabletop is inconvenient, but with Dulles Glass and Mirror, it's easier than ever to replace the glass in your patio tabletop. There are 3 common kinds of glass patio tables. A patio table where the glass sits on top of a pedestal, a patio table where the glass covers the surface of a table, and a patio tabletop where the glass fits into a frame. If you have a pedestal already and broke the glass, it's easy to go to our website and order the exact size glass of your broken piece. For pedestals, we recommend the stronger 3/8 or 1/2 inch glass, which will provide more support. Make sure you choose tempered glass, which is heat-treated for extra strength. For rectangle or square tables, you want to order a beveled or a flat polished edge. Don't forget to choose rounded or radius corners, which are polished so they are not sharp. For round tabletops, choose either a beveled edge or a pencil polished edge. If you have an outdoor table that you'd like to protect, or that has an uneven surface, you can order glass to cover the surface of the table. For square or rectangle tables, simply measure the length and width of the table. That's all you need. Keep in mind that our cutting tolerance is plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. That means that the glass that you receive could be bigger or smaller by 1/8 of an inch, so please make sure to measure carefully. For a round tabletop, measure through the exact center of the table to find the width. This number is going to be the diameter of the table, which is all you need to order. For a table cover, choose 1/4 or 3/8 inch glass. Don't forget to choose tempered glass for safety. For rectangles and squares, choose beveled or flat polished edges. And for round tables, choose beveled or pencil polished edges. These kinds of tables can be tricky. The frame cannot be bent in any way, or it will be really hard to measure. Straighten the frame before you measure it, and the glass must be cut to fit inside the frame exactly, so be very careful of your measurements. We will fabricate the glass exactly to the dimensions you provide with a plus or minus 1/8 inch cutting tolerance. For glass that fits inside a frame, choose 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2 inch tempered glass, depending on your frame. Make sure that you choose a seamed or flat polished edge so that it fits down in the frame properly. Your glass is made to your specification as soon as you place your order. We guarantee in one-piece delivery, and your shipping is always free. Shop with confidence at DullesGlassandMirror.com, where we make sure you get your glass your way.